solar system. I am the sun. The sun is the star. It is made up of burning gases, helium and hydrogen. Hi, I am the star. Stars are huge bodies. It has no light and heat. I am the planet. Planets are large round heavenly bodies. There are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. I am the Earth. The Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. The moon. The moon is the Earth's only satellite. Hi, I am the other heavenly bodies: asteroids, meteorites, comets. Thank you to all. We are